Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I'm Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 14th of July 2022. So these series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirant. So which of the following bank recently acquired Lage, Landen Financial Service India Private Limited? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Kotak Mahindra Bank. So recently the Kotak Mahindra Bank acquired the agri and healthcare equipment financing portfolio of Lage Landen Financial Service India Private Limited. Okay, so now next question. Who was selected to be the Confederation of Indian Industry's president-designated? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is R. Dinesh. So recently the Hero MotoCorp chairman and CEO Pawan Munjal stepped down as a president-designated of Confederation of Indian Industry. So basically Munjal was elected as a CCI president designated on May 12. He announced his resignation at the CCI's National Council meeting where he pointed out that it is commitment to Hero MotoCorp's new Global Sustainability Fund where the reason behind is stepping down. Okay, so now next question. Who was the first Indian woman and the second to represent India in the IMF Hall of Former Chief Economics? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Geeta Gopinath. So recently the Indian American Economics Geeta Gopinath became the first woman and second Indian to feature on IMF's wall of former chief economics. So basically the first Indian to feature in IMF Hall of Former Chief Economics was Raghuram Rajan, who was Chief Economics and Director of Research of IMF between year 2003 and 2006. So basically Geeta Gopinath was appointed as IMF Chief Economics in October 2018 by its Managing Director and served as the first female Chief Economics of IMF for 3 years between 2019 and 2022. Okay, so now next question. Which of the following banks has memorandum of understanding with the Indian Air Force to deliver specially created goods to the military personnel under the bank's flagship program Rakshak Plus? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is PNB Bank, also known as Punjab National Bank. So recently the PNB has signed an MOU and IAF to provide specially designed products to the defense personnel under the bank's flagship scheme of PNB Rakshak Plus. Okay, so now next question. Which of the following has collaborated with NITI Aayog to improve how emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, blockchain and drones are used to help farmers, particularly small and marginal farmers? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is World Economic Forum. So recently the World Economic Forum in collaboration with the government's research institute NITI Aayog is focusing on how to better employ emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, blockchain and drones to aid farmers, especially small and marginal farmers. Okay, so now next question. Who launched India's first 5G testbed, enabling startup and industry company to test and certify their innovation domestically and reduce dependency on foreign facilities? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Narendra Modi. So the Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched India's first 5G testbed, allowing startup and industry players to test and certify their technology domestically and lessen reliance on foreign facilities. Okay, so now next question. Which of the following banks' Metaverse Virtual Lounge is called Uni-verse? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Union Bank of India. So recently the Union Bank of India launched Metaverse Lounge, an open banking sandbox environment. So Uni-verse, the Metaverse Virtual Lounge of the bank, hosts bank product information and videos in the initial phase. Okay, so now next question. Which of the following banks has a corporate agency agreement with Shriram General Insurance? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is City Union Bank. So the private sector lender City Union Bank has signed a corporate agency agreement with Shriram General Insurance to distribute the later insurance product through its network of branches across the country. Okay, so now next question. Which organization chairman and managing director is the Brajesh Kumar Upadhyay? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Goa Shipyard Limited. So the appointment committee of the cabinet has approved the appointment of Brajesh Kumar Upadhyay as the chairman and managing director of Goa Shipyard Limited. Okay, so now next question. Who was recently appointed as a managing director of National High Speed Rail Corporation Limited? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Rajendra Prasad. So recently Rajendra Prasad has been appointed as the managing director of National Speed Rail Corporation Limited after the government dismissed Satish Agnihotri over corruption allegation. Okay.